Hello, today we will guide you through how to use a coupon code on Hotels.com. In a few minutes, you'll see exactly where to start, how to pick your stay, and where to enter your coupon so the discount appears before you pay. Begin on the Hotels.com Philippines website so prices and payment options match your location. On the home page, use the search box to choose where you want to stay. Start typing a city or neighborhood and select it from the suggestions to be sure you're searching the correct area. Next, choose your date range on the calendar. Double-check check-in and check-out to avoid extra nights or a shortened stay, then confirm the number of travelers if that option is visible. When your destination and dates look right, select Search. Hotels.com will load available properties for those dates. Browse the results and click a hotel you'd like to consider. This opens the property page with photos, room types, and important policies. Scroll down until you reach the reservation section that lists the available rooms and their rates. Review the room details, cancellation terms, and what's included. When you're ready, click Reserve to proceed with that specific room and rate. On the payment screen, choose Pay Now if you want to be charged online and apply your coupon immediately. This is important because most coupons only work with Pay Now rates and may not apply to Pay at Property options. After selecting Pay Now, continue to the checkout page. On the checkout page, scroll down until you find the option labeled Use a Coupon. Click Use a Coupon to open the coupon field. Carefully enter your coupon code exactly as it appears, watch out for extra spaces or letter case differences, and then click Apply. If the code is valid for your room, dates, and location, the discount will show in the order summary, and your total will update automatically. If you don't see a discount, review the fine print. Many coupons exclude certain properties or room types, require a minimum spend, or don't apply to taxes and fees. You can also try retyping the code or verifying you're on the Philippines site and using a Pay Now rate. Before you finish, take a moment to confirm the room type, dates, guest details, and cancellation policy on the same page. Coupons generally reduce the room rate only. Resort fees or similar charges may be collected by the property at check-in, so review the price breakdown to avoid surprises. That's it. Once your discount appears and everything looks correct, you're set to proceed with payment and complete your booking with confidence.